This is inside room 6291 on the Carnival Legend. Come through the door. Bathroom is on the right. Closet is over on the left. Vanity over here on the left with 4 drawers. And there's 2 outlets, one American, one European. Bed is king size. It can be made into twins. The 2 lamps have USB and C connector. TV. There's a bureau. And there's your refrigerator or cooler, whatever you want to call it. Your little table. Over here is the one closet, the shelves, and there is a bar at the top. Next closet, hang clothes, a lot of hangers, even ones on the floor. And then this one's where your life jacket or life vest is. More hanging. Bathroom, typical Carnival bath. Get your soaps, shampoo, adjustable head for the shower. This one does come with a seat. There's your toilet, sink, and again, shelves on both sides. Grab bar over there, grab bar in the shower. This may be considered a semi-accessible room, even though the door is not wider than a normal door. The view from over here.